Hey friends, if you're considering a move to Upson County, Georgia, you're in the right place. This charming area offers a relaxed lifestyle and strong sense of community. And today, I'm walking you through what to expect and how to make your move smooth. I'm from 3 Movers, and let's get right into it. Upson County is known for its friendly communities, historic charm, and affordable living. Whether you're drawn to quiet neighborhoods or local parks and recreation spots, this area gives you a balance of peaceful living with easy access to larger Georgia cities. Now, let's talk logistics. Upson County's roads and neighborhoods are typically mover-friendly, with plenty of space for trucks and easy access. Still, it's a great idea to share details with your moving team ahead of time. Things like driveway layout and any stairs or tight corners, so your moving day goes without a hitch. Here's a simple tip to keep your move stress-free. Start packing early and label boxes by room. If you're using professional movers, tell them about any heavy or delicate items you have. That way they can bring the right equipment and plan the best approach. Preparation never goes out of style. So that's a quick look at moving to Upson County, Georgia. Peaceful neighborhoods, smooth logistics, and planning that pays off. For more local moving guides and helpful tips, head over to 3movers.com. If you found this video useful, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more practical moving advice you can trust.